Of course, we got our first snowfall about 10 to 15 centimeters, and do you think my snowblower worked? Nope.
So I'm gonna go pick up my snowblower from Markham Mower. I would highly recommend them. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna get this gigantic, very heavy, it's at least a couple 100 pounds probably, snowblower into my CRV by myself. I hope it goes well, but I have some handy dandy 2x4 ramps. Do this at your own risk, of course. Probably not the smartest idea.
Now this is something I'm not really recommending to do. I would get a proper temporary ramp put in there, or have somebody help you, at least 2 or 3 people, to lift this thing in and out of your vehicle. But because I'm so cheap and stubborn and I didn't have any help, I thought I can do this by myself. And I did. I'd like to say I take calculated risks. I was trying to go with the adage, work smarter, not harder, but I don't know if that applies in this case. Anyway, it worked.
I'm crazy, but it's in there. Yeah.
Thanks for watching my brilliance or stupidity. You be the judge. I'll see you in the next Ladybug adventure.